On this box you have two plugs that will be used as an input. So when the spindle turns on, the spindle is going in here, it automatically turns on this plug here, this outlet here. So everything that's connected here turns on. What I did, because I have the AC infinite fan and the vacuum cleaner, I'm using this cable here to connect both at the same time. The automatic switch have a few options here. I also bought in Amazon. You have the link below. You can change the time the vacuum cleaner and the filter still spinning, still working after the spindle goes off. So after it goes off, the vacuum cleaner can run for I think it's three, I'm not looking at the machine now, but it's 3, 5, and 7, I think, or 3, 7, and 10 seconds. Also has the wattage, the amperage that will trigger the machine. Let's say you want to use something with less amperage and you don't want the AC, the vacuum cleaner turns on, the box will not turn on if it doesn't go over that amperage. The speed will go over both options there. And you have another option that is turn on, turn off, and auto. So you can, I leave in auto. When the amperage is reached, it turns on the vacuum cleaner and the AC Infinity fan. Okay?